Cool. So our piece is called From Calm to Chaos. And the idea for this piece comes from, I think, the lives that we lead that are so frantic and busy and all consuming that we don't even really have the time to stop and stay still and just be with our thoughts, emotions, and our body. So I think when we were thinking of this, we were thinking of the constant state of flux and how our breath is so important to like not just as a life force but also like in terms of moderating like how we feel and yeah, regulating like our emotions. And so we decided to work on this piece where you can use different hand poses to essentially control the motion of the kinetic sculpture. Currently, this version is non-interactive just for this exhibition, but ideally you would actually be able to, you know, make different hand gestures and control the motion of the sculpture itself. Toto wants to go a little bit more into.
The double pendulum. When your breath is not in a meditative state, it does a chaotic motion by itself. And when your breath is in the meditative state and your hands are like this, it does a full circle, visualizing the
State of calm and
state of
like
calm.
yeah, collected. And I think like the most important thing is that we wanted to kind of highlight with this piece of ours is that by being still, I think we are able to like observe and take in so much more. On the surface, it's going to look like it's the exact same thing that you're looking at, but a double pendulum is actually a chaotic system, which means that you can't actually predict the motion of this system. That means that every time you're actually looking at it, you are looking at something different because you've never actually seen that exact sequence of events before, which is why we encourage our audience to stay still and really soak in the piece and, yeah, appreciate the uniqueness.